Now this one, folks, is a throwback. Check out this. Look at that gear shifter. Can anyone guess what kind of car this is? Man, this is back in the day right here. I'm almost too tall for this car. I'll do a little walk around in a minute. Hang on, I got to get pulled out of this tight spot I'm in. Man, this car is freaking hilarious. Okay. I think I'm the only person that's even taken this one out for a test drive. I've got the visor and the headliner drooping in my face. No, it's just the visor. The headliner's good. Man, this car's cramped. Ooh, it's cramped. But man, it runs good to be a 04 with a, oh man, it takes the bumps good. 04 with 170,000 miles. It actually runs pretty darn good. Got good pep. I don't know why I'm making y'all guess what this is, because it's going to say right in the damn title what car it is. So anyway, I'll just get out and show it to you. It's blue. Oh yeah. Man. Pontiac Sunfire, baby. Look at that blue paint. It's unfortunate that the clear coat's shot on the hood, because I think the paint's original on it, and it looks good everywhere else on the car. Little car's got new tires on it. Yep, on the hood and on the rear trunk lid we got clear coat failure. But man, what a good looking little car. It's clean. God, it's clean. It's got a few stains down there in the carpet, but it is a clean car. The back seat I don't think's ever been used. I wonder what they put in this. Probably the 2.0. It's gonna be an Ecotech something. 2.2 maybe? 2 liter. .2 Ecotech. Runs good. Man, it runs real good. Slick running little engine. Pontiac Sunfire. See what kind of guts she has, if any. Of course, the check engine light's on. Yeah. You know, it's pretty peppy. All right, here we go. Oh man, I caught a tire. Hey, this thing's actually pretty damn quick. Oh man, don't knock it. This thing's actually pretty darn peppy. Man, this would make a great commuter car. Cheap. Probably good on gas. Probably deadly in a crash though, but cheap and economical. Just don't wreck. I mean, it does have airbags. 1, 2 airbags. Man, it's got good power. I mean, real good power. I'm just tickled to death with how quick it is. Woo, the 04 Pontiac Sunfire in blue, Laguna blue. I don't know what kind of blue this is, but it's blue, ocean blue. All right, that's it, guys. Y'all have a good one. Peace.